Hello guys, welcome to another video. Today we will digitize the McDonald logo for embroidery. So without wasting the time, let's start how this simple logo can be digitized. You can see the Nike logo from our previous video. So today we will digitize the McDonald logo. So all we need to do is create a new design. So we will import the McDonald file in this. Okay, I just cut and paste here the McDonald logo. You can see the M. So it is very easy to digitize this one because you can easily digitize by using the column A tool. So we will start from here, press here, then you need to click the right button because it is a curve, so you need to click the right button. You can see how nicely the curve is made. Yes, this one. Look at this, how simply this logo is making. How simple. Okay, we will draw the second leg of them in the same way. I am using just the right click. So here, done. Okay, so for this part I will start from here. This is a bit straight, you can click the left button, but this is the curve, you can press the right button. Okay, well, now we can press the S button to hide the stitches and see our drawing. So we will end this here and this one here. I think yes, it's fine now. Okay, so we are done. You can see how easily it was digitized. Now you can see these auto split here. So this is due to because the machine angle is not much that they can stitch from this point to this point. So we will select this object and turn the auto split off. Yes, here we go. So you can see how easily we digitize the McDonald logo. So if you want to digitize your own design, you can just contact us. I will drop my email at the bottom of in this video description, and if you have any problem in your digitizing, you can drop us a query. I can help you. Thank you. Bye bye.